Are you ready to buy a home minutes away from Chula Vista's hottest new destination resort? The Gaylord Pacific opens May 15th.
We have this fabulous single-story home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, remodeled kitchen. Let's go inside and check it out. We have a great, large, entertaining backyard to showcase today.
So plan on inviting all your friends over this summer for barbecuing, swimming in your newly plastered pool, and cornhole on the large grassy area.
Plus, we have a fire pit area perfect for roasting marshmallows at night. Call us today, Carrie and Julie with Coldwell Banker West.